Welcome back, traders, to day 7 of the Road to 20 PA video series, where we attempt to get 20 PA accounts with our prop trading firm and to get paid out on all 20 of them. Today we are doing a trading recap of the trading day. We are not doing live trading session today because my OBS messed up and I did not capture the one and only trade we did today. So today's just a trading recap. I apologize about that, but without further ado, let's get into this one. Kicking it off with the daily chart, we are bouncing off the EMA on the daily chart in this uptrend. So you know what that means? The bulls are coming and they're running fast. In the next couple of days, we should see some spikes, some green spikes up to the top of this trend line. And hopefully for the rest of the week, we are moving up strongly and steadily and we can make some good profit off of it. Then moving on over to the 2000 tick chart, we have a trading range structure for the majority of the day. Started off coming into it off this massive uptrend, and then it kind of mellowed out towards the middle of the day and following suit towards the end of the day. I can show you where I took my first trade of the day today, guys. Well, first and only trade. Let me zoom in a little bit. So the only trade I took today, it was a winner. We scalped out for 2 points, and then our runner got stopped out. My train of thought here was we had this uptrend working higher all the way down here, this massive uptrend. And we broke the uptrend, had a little bit of a double bottom action right here, got a new extreme of the uptrend, and then every high after that, we had a triple test of this top of this trading range right here. So resistance was forming up here. I didn't think this uptrend was going to go any higher, and then a slight downtrend started to form. We had a series of lower highs and lower lows. And I was originally looking to take this failed second entry long right here. We have from this high, first entry long, pull back, second entry long, failure. But this red bar, this red signal bar right here, it formed a little too quick. And I was not able to get in on that. But it came back up, formed a nice lower high signal bar at the EMA. Tier 1 signal bar, I ended up taking that trade and it's instantly scalped me out and then reversed back up, which went against my theory. I thought it was going to get down to the bottom of this trading range, right where this double bottom was, but it didn't quite reach the bottom of that trading range and it actually reversed on up right after it scalped me out, which happens. Can't be 100% right in the market, but we will take what we can get. It formed a nice quick easy scalp and that was our one winning trade for the day. And that's pretty much it for today, guys. Not too much to trade. It was choppy and it was pretty much a trading range for most of the day. When we have trading range structures like this, where it's just going back and forth, EMA is not holding for the majority of the day, you always want to be super careful about how many trades you take, where you're taking them. You're really only supposed to sell the highs and buy the lows. So this trade that I took right here was actually in the middle of the trading range. It wasn't the best take. As you can see, it reversed back up right after and could have stopped me out. Could have been a winner, could have been a loser. That's why you want to stay away from trading in the middle of the trading ranges. But I didn't have this big range drawn out when I first took this trade. I had something way smaller drawn. I had this slight downtrend drawn and I could have actually drawn a range kind of like this beforehand, something like this. So that would have made a little bit more sense. But, to say the least, you want to be careful about the biases that you're observing in trading range days. If the EMA is not holding, that means it's a trading range structure no matter what. You don't want to be caught going short like right here because you're buying right into these lows where there's proven resistance. And just because there is a downtrend working lower here, it doesn't mean that the trend is down for the day. We know that we're in a trading range. It's just getting to the bottom of the trading range, and you don't want to force buying in the middle of it or at the lows. You don't want to sell at the lows or buy at the highs because there's a higher probability of it pivoting and reversing on you. And that is it for today's video. If you guys like the trading recaps, live trading videos, and the overall Road to 20 PA video series, please make sure to like and subscribe for more content. Helps me out a whole bunch, lets me know that you guys are liking the content, and don't be afraid to leave comments down below, asking questions about my strategies, what you guys are doing, or just say you guys like the videos. I always appreciate it. With that said, I will see you tomorrow. I will definitely be doing live trading for the rest of the week, so no more trading recaps. I know they're a little boring and wordy, and you guys don't want to see that. You guys pretty much just want to see me win or lose in trades and see my frustration or joy afterwards. So I'll try to keep the daily trading recaps to a minimum and just keep coming at you with the live trading videos. I will see you guys tomorrow, and you guys have a great day.